I did a video the other day about cleaning this tile cutter, but I didn't show anything about how to use this tile cutter. This one is a 12-inch cut here. That's a 14-inch cut. This one is the one we use the most, and I'm going to show you how to use it. You see this wheel here? If your tile is not cutting or you're not getting a good score, see these little tabs here? You can loosen that up with a flathead screwdriver and just make sure that one of your tabs is touching the tile. And when that wear down, you just rotate this. That's why we like to use this one. When you get ready to snap the towel, this screw right here is an adjuster, and you can adjust this piece right here on the part where you want to snap the towel. So since we're talking about this one, I'm gonna put this one up. And this is a towel piece. I'm gonna move this out the way. You can take that off if you want to. Lift your handle up. Place the towel where you want to score it. So if you want whatever inch you want, here's your ruler here. We're just gonna score this real quick. Get it from the end. Push it up front. Make sure that this part is on the piece of the towel and tap it. Okay? That's your towel cut. We're gonna do it again. Simple. Raise it up. However inches you need. Score it. Tap. Your towel is cut. We're gonna do a small piece. Well, let's just work this down to, I want to get this piece right here. And I need an inch. So I have it on an inch on this side. Score it. Okay. You ready to snap? There you go. I'm gonna cut that smaller. Now this is a tricky part here. I need half an inch. We're not gonna go half an inch. We're gonna go 7/8 of an inch. Will it snap? That's where this adjuster comes in. First I'm gonna see if I can snap it here. If not, I'm gonna show you a different way, and it snapped. And it broke everything. So I kind of figured that was gonna happen. I'm gonna show you how I normally do a small piece. We're gonna go again. We're on the 7/8. Score it. Now I'm gonna hit it on the bar at the top. There we go. Now you can trim it. This little piece right here, you can trim it. But that was just to show you how to get those little small cuts. That's how you use one of these towel cutters. Just out of curiosity. We're gonna do the big towel. Same way. Same way. This one you pull towards you, or push away. Put your towel piece wherever you want to cut. Score it. Same way. After you score it, hit it at the top, and your towel is cut. That's how you use those towel cutters to cut your towel. Thanks for watching.